Hello everyone, my name is James, the product specialist at Wisonic. Today, I'm going to introduce you our new generation hand-carried ultrasound Clivia, made for point of care. Clivia has a 19-inch full touchscreen, which was engineered with a seamless design for easy cleaning. The Clivia battery has up to a 2-hour scanning time, and its working time can boost up to 6 hours with the particular card. For portability and easy to use, the card has an electrical lead with a range of 20 cm. User can find a comfortable position via one button. The monitor can be flipped up and down and tilted front and back with its double joint articulating arm. Clivia is also provided with a straightforward control panel. After thorough investigation, the most common button and the trackball are exclusively reserved on the panel, make operation more efficient. Clivia has one active probe port at the right side of the main unit. If you want to connect more probes at the same time, please connect it with the 4-in-1 probe adapter. To connect the transducer, insert the probe into the port. Then slide the lever to lock in. To remove the probe, slide the lever to the left and pull it straight out. Probes are located at the side of the system. The cables can be hung on the armrest at the back of the system so that the cable will never touch the ground even when the system is at its lowest height. To disinfect the probe, Clivia contains exclusive probe holders that are convenient for users to disinfect the probe solely. These two designs keep the probe secure and clean. The Clivia card has a brake on each wheel. To activate the brake, press down on the lower brake lever. To release, press the top brake lever. The Clivia comes with 2 storage bins for your accessories. One is at the front of the system and the other is at the back. Clivia card is also equipped with an anti-theft lock. To lock the system, turn the knob clockwise. To remove the Clivia from the card, enter the correct password first and then turn the knob counterclockwise. Now you can take Clivia off the card. The password can be customized. You can set your own password after you receive the machine. This is Clivia, the premium point-of-care ultrasound system, a better choice for bedside doctors.